Have you ever seen this on your 1688 and probably didn't know what it is or even how to use this? In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this particular thing. What you are currently seeing is a coupon. So these coupons, you can use them to get freebies. I mean free, absolutely free items on this 1688. You can also use this item, you can also use this coupon to get very discounted items. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can go about that. But before that, let's talk about how you get these coupons. Somebody will be like, okay, how do I get these coupons? You can get these coupons when a supplier fails to deliver your items on time. You know, on 1688 they have these policies, like then for suppliers to deliver within 24 hours, some to deliver within 48 hours, and some to deliver within 72 hours. So if it is 48 hours and the supplier fails to deliver within that 48 hours, they give you a coupon as a form of compensation. And also the other way you can get this is signing up onto the 1688 as a new user. So most of the time when you sign up as a new user, they will give you this coupon. Okay. And also when a supplier breaks a regulation, so the regulation can be something between the two of you, the supplier can actually decide to give you a coupon to compensate you for breaking that regulation. So now let's get right into it. So I'm going to be showing you a coupon that I had from a supplier and how I'm going to use it to get a free item on 1688. So without wasting much time, let's go to our messages. So I'm going to click on my messages. When I click on my messages, this is how my messages is. The coupon, when a supplier gives you a coupon, it will come as a message from the supplier. Okay, so that's how you see where to find that coupon. Please, it's not all the time that they give. Okay, so if they don't give you, you don't have to ask them for a coupon, right? They give you when the system instructs them or when they break one of the rules that I just spoke about. So I'm going to be clicking on the suppliers. This particular supplier, I actually bought 3 different items from this supplier. The supplier did a late delivery of the item. Okay, so here is the first coupon. Okay, so this particular one here is the first coupon. The supplier gave me 13.5 coupon. Okay, usually some people will be like, mine is this, you know. It depends, it's dependent on the supplier. Some suppliers can give as low as even one RMB. Some can give 2, 3, 5 thereabout. It depends on the supplier. But this particular supplier is a very generous supplier, because I've never, you know, had a coupon this much from a supplier. So here is the coupon for this particular one, this one. Then he gave me another coupon here, 24 RMB, and he also gave me another coupon here, which is 13 RMB. So when they send me the coupon, this is how the coupon is going to look like. Okay, so how do you use these coupons? You can use this coupon to get a discounted item. Okay, so let's say I'm buying an item that I wish to buy. They can actually deduct the coupon amounts from it. So let's say if I was going to buy an item that is worth 50 RMB, they will deduct this 13 from it before, you know, before I will add the rest of the amount to pay. So it means that I'll get a discount of 13.5. Okay, so that's one way you can use this coupon. The other way is by buying selected items within the within the 1688 app. So they will give you selected items. You'll get those items for free because of the coupon that you have. Okay, so this particular coupon, I've already used it. I use this to get some item. So my coupon is left with this 24 and this 11. Okay, so I'm going to be using this 11 to do the demonstration for us to see. So I'm clicking on this. Okay, so once you click on it, all of these items here, so remember my coupon is 13, is 11, right? 11.4. So I can buy item with either lower than 11.4. I can get those items for free, either lower than 11.4 or exactly 11.4. Or if I want an item that is higher, they'll just deduct the 11.4 from it, and the rest of the money I would be, you know, be paying for that particular one. So I just want to go through and see items. So these ones, it's not you that select. Okay, it's the 1688 platform itself that gives you these options for you to actually choose something. Okay, so I'm just going to go through. I don't really know what exactly I'm going to get, but I'll just go through. So I'm going to be getting this. Okay, so I think this is sort of, you know, this wires we use to clean our pots. Okay, but it comes with a place where you can put your liquid soap and just use it directly like that. So I feel that is, you know, a very good innovation. So I'll just buy it and see how it looks like. So I'm going to click on buy now. So this one is just your normal way of buying. Okay, once I click here, I'll just get like two will be how much? Okay, so I'll just buy two. It's 10.86, but they are going to be charging me for the local delivery. Okay, but I don't really know how much because it's not shown here. Okay, so once I'm over here, the local delivery is 2.45. Okay, the local delivery is 2.45. So all I have to do is to pay this 2.45, and as you can see over here, here's the total amount of goods. Okay, and can you see they have written bonus over here? So the bonus is 10.86, and this is the one that I'll pay for the local delivery. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this payment. Okay, so as you can see, I have had that particular item that is worth 10 point something. I'm only paying for the local delivery of that particular item, for the bonus of the item. Now I'm left with this 24, right? I'm going to show you the other way you can actually use your coupons. So let's say I want to buy let's say I want to buy this heel here. Okay, if I want to buy this shoe over here, right, I'll just click on buy now. So I will select, I think it's 24, right? Okay, so it's 24, so I'll select. So all is going to be 65 RMB. But can you see that? Check over here. So you can see that they will deduct, you can use it to deduct, they will deduct the 24 from it, and instead of me paying 60.5, okay, 65 RMB for this particular item, I'm going to be getting it at 40.2 RMB. This brings us to the end of this particular video. Most of the time you'll get this, as I said, it's not all the time that you will get bonus or you will get coupons. It's just once in a while that you get a supplier that you have issues with that decides not to deliver your item early. That is when they give you these coupons. Like this video, share with friends, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. It is bye bye.